Look at how cute these Stanley toppers are. Let me show you how you can make them. You will need a sublimation acrylic blank. We have two options that we offer. One is for a 20 or 30 ounce, and the other is for a 40 or 64 ounce. You will also need a sublimation print. These two I customized with some custom text, or you can just use a standard sheet that has a pattern on it, which we offer as well. You'll need some tape, a weeding tool, and then scissors. The first step is going to be to remove the mask that comes on the blank. This is added to protect the blank before use. It's going to be on both sides, so make sure you remove it from both sides. As you can see, one side of the blank is white, which is where you'll sublimate, and the other side is clear. When printing your design, if you have text, make sure it is not mirrored. Since it's going to be going on the back of the design, it does not need to be mirrored. The next step is going to be to line up your blank with your transfer and tape it down securely. If you're making multiple, you can get them all ready at once. I usually will press about 5 at the same time. Our next step is going to be to press these. You'll want to press them at 400 to 425 degrees for 45 to 60 seconds. You will want to put the blank in between a folded piece of butcher paper with some paper towel underneath with the transverse facing up. This is going to ensure even pressure. I usually press for about 45 seconds and then I will check it to see if it looks good. You'll see me pull it out here and check it. The nice thing with this material is you can easily turn it over and check and see if there's any spots that are faded. If it's faded, put it back in for about 15 seconds and then check again. Once you've verified that the sublimation has transferred properly and it's not faded, go ahead and remove it from the butcher paper. Next, you're going to want to put it in between books or something heavy. I'm putting a book on top and then weights on top, and let it cool down like this. This will ensure that it doesn't warp. Once you've let it cool, you can go ahead and remove it from the transfer paper, and you have your finished product. We carry all the supplies you need to make your own toppers, or if you would like us to customize one for you, check out our link and we can customize it to your exact specifications. Here's what the final product looks like on my 30-ounce Stanley tumbler.